welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I am the first person starting off our Pride collaboration. Thank you so much, Dave and Taneva, for taking over the reins and setting all this up. Really appreciate it. This is now my third Pride collaboration, I believe. It's either third or fourth. I think it's the third. Anyways, thank you so much for asking me to be a part of this. I'm so happy to take part in it. Today, I am going to do something fairly easy. A lot of people seem to be doing a lot of swipes, so that's what I'm going to do this for this Pride pour. I've got an 18-inch round that I got from Michaels. It's an MDF board. And what I plan on doing is just laying out the Pride colors, going to do a swipe, do a little tilting, do a little spinning, call it a day. And then I'm going to put 2 coats of resin on it to make it pop. So really excited about the pour. So let's get down onto the round and get started. I'll be right back. So this is an 18-inch round that I purchased from Michaels. This is my PPG Multi-Pro. And I am going to do like very similar to a beach swipe. What I'm going to do is lay out my colors here. I got Napthol Red. Azo Orange. Primary Yellow. Permanent Green Light. TLP Taffy. Some Constellation TLP. You know what? Might as well use up. All right, so what I'm gonna do the swipe, and I'm gonna just swipe through here with my black cell activator. Pick this up here, bring it back more to the center, and then I'm going to tilt my ends off first this way. And then come back. Stretch it down this way. let's give it a spin. There we go. Now we're talking. This is what I was after. Got the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. That's what I'm talking about, folks. It's very gradient with the swipe. Really, really great. Everything held together. All right, I'm gonna clean up these edges and then I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, here we are with the wet result. I really love the swipe. Really came out great. I love the gradient between the red and the orange and the transfer into the yellow. Really cool. With the nice cool little swipes there with the black cell activator still showing. Gradient from the green into the blue and then into the purple. And a little bit of that white just left for contrast. All right, let's see how this one dries. Be back. All right, here we are with the dried result and the resin coat. I've got one coat of resin on here. I'm gonna put a second coat just to make sure it's all covered. I've got a couple of little divots in there, so we'll fix up. All right, everyone, that is it for today's video. So that is the finished piece. I'm going to put a second coat of resin on it because I got a couple of divots and lines that didn't quite even out properly, but I am really, really happy with the piece. It's going to look so beautiful with the second coat of resin on it. I use a brand called Let's Resin. I've been trying a bunch of different resins, but right now I've got a discount code for Let's Resin. So you can head down and get that discount code and you can get 10% off on your order. So once again, I want to thank Taniva and Dave for getting this collaboration up and going. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for tuning into the video. If I'm not mistaken, the next person in the list is going to be Yan with Yan C Art. You can head down to my description box. There is a playlist. You click on the playlist and that will just send you to the next person's video in the train today. Do thank you again. Everyone have a happy Pride. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.